Yep.
So this year we are making the Korean style spicy rice cake. So the name is called tteokbokki. When you cook the rice cake, you don't have to put a lot of water. So you just put like this much of water in the pot.
It's working.
Definitely
It's working.
Have you had rice cake before?
Yes.
How was it? Did you like it?
I liked it a lot. My Korean teacher made it for me at during Korean class.
This time I'm not making this too spicy. The spiciness is mild. It won't be too spicy. So don't worry about it. This is the Korean style rice cake. It's a wrong.
So how long have you been doing YouTube?
I have been doing YouTube about 5 years. My main channel is not about cooking. My main channel is about fashion. Also, this is my second channel. I do it sometimes. I'm not a professional cook.
What's in the bag that you have there in front of you? What is that?
Rice cake.
Where I'm from, a rice cake is flat and dry.
Yeah.
So I'm not familiar with that.
Oh, this is a Korean style rice cake.
Korean style.
Yes, the Chinese one is flat.
Yes.
Yes, so this is the round.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's ready. It takes maybe about 10 to 15 minutes just to boil the rice cake. What's your favorite dish to cook? I think my favorite is hot pot. I want to do hot pot, but I'm afraid it's the oil. It's too much oil. This one's safe to do it. Yes. I'm not sure if this is enough. If you want more, I'll cook more. So this is enough. And then I will start cutting the fish cake. So this is optional. You could also put the fish ball instead of the flat fish cake. So for the sizes, I prefer to cut it in the triangle. So when you buy fish cake, it comes to rectangle.
So what is fish cake made of? Do you know?
What's a fish cake made of?
Okay, when they bring the fish back to the dock and they chop the heads off, there's a guy that comes along with a shovel. Okay, so he puts the fish heads into a bucket, the bucket goes into a grinder.
Oh no.
Fish heads come out the other side. I don't know. I don't know.
I believe you there for a second.
That's very resourceful.
Is anybody hungry?
Yes. Yes.
You'll be a lot of food and ice cream.
How many people have had green tea ice cream?
Only once, and I loved it. I can't find it anywhere else.
Really? What?
This is our own blend of green tea ice cream. It's green tea mixed with vanilla ice cream.
Oh.
So we tried it one time at home and it actually tasted pretty good because green tea ice cream is hard to get and it's expensive.
Yeah.
I've never even heard of that.
So this green tea powder is actually for making bubble tea, but you can use it for making ice cream.
Yeah, it's the boba tea powder.
Bubble tea powder. Yeah.
What inspired you to make a cooking channel alongside a fashion channel?
Because I got married. Actually, I started cooking channel before I got married. My mom said, "You eat every day. Why don't you make a cooking channel?" So my cooking channel started. It's when I recording me eat. It's changed after I got married. It was just doing talking and eating at the same time. Like that. Yeah, mukbang. Yes. This is the most important part. This is called gochujang. Red pepper paste, spicy and sweet. And you can choose the spiciness. It has hot, very hot, and this one is mild. It's not very hot.
What do you usually use?
I prefer mild. I can't really handle too spicy foods.
Before you put the paste in, can you show us how the pot looks at the moment?
I remember the first time I made this, I put too much water and it didn't turn out good if I took too much water.
The rice cakes get too soft with too much water?
I think it's the flavor.
Oh, okay.
The flavor is
okay.
too much soup.
Ah, okay.
Don't forget the soup base. I almost forgot the important part. You just use water and you could add the soup. The soup just to add more flavor in it.
Do you eat the ice cream first or after?
People usually eat ice cream after, but it doesn't really matter.
What is your favorite video on your channel?
I think my favorite video is to dress up in Panda style.
Do you have a preferred style that you like better?
Panda style. I also like Lolita fashion. Yeah.
YouTube channels like do you like watch or really like?
I used to watch a lot of makeup videos 6 or 7 years ago. I think it's from Wenji. Oh, right now I'm mostly just watching drama.
Can you guys smell it?
Yep.
Oh yeah.
It's already cooked, so after it's almost done, I'll put eggs in it. This pot will be finished in like 10 to 15 minutes. It's almost done. Last time, my cooking panel was pretty low. Like people waiting for like 1 hour, but this time I'm trying to make it quicker, 40 to 45 minutes, and the rest of time you guys just eat food.
What did you make last time? I'm trying to remember.
Mapo tofu.
That's right. Yeah, yeah, mapo tofu. That's right.
Yeah.
You like it? Okay, so what about back here? What do you think? Too hot? No.
Spicy stuff. It's really good. I like it. It's chewy. Very.
Okay, let's watch you eat one with a chopstick. We're gonna zoom in here. Let's see your technique. That's it. Yeah, you stab right into it. Yeah, that's the way it works. Yeah, yeah. And into the mouth. And you slurp, slurp, slurp. That's it. Okay. He needs a high five. Give him a high five on that one.
Good job, Ronan. Very good. Very, very good. I think we're good. That actually tastes really good, actually.
Is it like matcha?
We met in college. His first speech class, I was having to repeat mine, and so neither of us passed that class either.
I had a book from V for Vendetta, and that's how she was like, I love the movie. I was like, same. And we became good friends after that. We were both dating other people at the time, but about what, a year later?
Yeah, almost just over a year after that.
We were single again, and we were like, you know what, well, why don't we give it a try?
And so we did, and here we are.
Okay, so here's my question. So where are you guys at today?
TigerCon.
You're at TigerCon. And what did you decide to do at TigerCon, young man? What was your big plan?
I had a master ball that I had her help me make, and it was gonna hold the ring. So she helped.
He was gonna hold this ring right there?
Yep.
Now look at the size of that thing. Okay, so you decided to get engaged at TigerCon.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so how long have you guys been dating?
Just over 2 years now.
And where did you meet?
Calhoun Community College.
Calhoun Community College. Interesting. Okay, and what made you pick TigerCon as the optimal choice for your wedding proposal, your love declaration?
Well, it was my second con, and I learned about it because I met y'all's mascot at GumpCon with my family. And she kept telling me about TigerCon, and I was like, you know what, that sounds interesting. So I went home and told her about it. She was like, yeah, I'd love to go. And that's all I needed to hear from her is, all right, we're going. And somewhere along the line, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna make it extra special. And I started looking for a ring. So
how long did you spend looking for the ring?
Not that long. About almost a month, a little under a month.
Okay, now did he do good?
Yes.
Did he do good?
Yeah.
Okay, did you?
He picked out, he had
There's a story behind that one.
He had 5 or 6 of them picked out and was like, hey, what do you think about these? And then so I was flipping through them and I was like, I like them well enough. He goes, which one's your favorite?
So was he like, which one of these would be good for a birthday gift for my mother?
No.
It's not an engagement ring. Don't even think that. What,
We were actually talking about it, but I was like, do you like any of these? And then I went and got one, and she found out that I got it, and I was like, okay. And a large sum of money got deposited back into my card, and then later taken out, but I didn't tell her the second part. So I just said I didn't get the ring. They refunded me, so they were out of stock or something. About a month or so later,
they were out of stock. It was nothing like. You didn't give her a love test? Was this a love test? Is she going to get upset with me if I didn't get the ring?
No, if she was, I was just going to think of my way around it. But yeah, and it came in the mail, and I hid it in my blacksmith box until we started getting ready. And then, like I said, I had an idea to make a Pokeball, and she was like, okay, I'll help. So she helped me make it, and I told her I was gonna put a Pokemon figurine in it, but instead I put a ring in it.
Nice, nice. So did you have ring requirements?
Not too much. I'm not really one of the ones that likes something flashy anyway.
Well, you got something
I
flashy.
know, and I still like it anyway. So it's just one of those things where, no, not really. I liked this one when he showed me the choices because it has the Celtic knots and everything on it because
I'm Irish and Norwegian.
Okay.
So it fits us well. And so,
Well, good.
Yeah.
Okay, so how long are you going to do your engagement for?
We will either marry this October or next October.
We want to do it like a Sam Hain wedding.
So.
And what is that?
Sam Hain is.
It's basically Halloween,
Oh,
but
okay.
it's a Wiccan holiday.
Okay.
It's what Halloween was based on before.
Okay, so it'd be like towards the end of October, a specific date?
Not yet. It'll be end of October, beginning of November, but like really close right there. So it'll be like.
That could be really nice. That could be really, really nice.
It's not too hot, it's not too cold, and I'm not going to be sneezing.
Oh,
So that's always nice.
Yeah. Okay, great. Great. So did all your buddies know about it? Mom, dad, the whole family? I mean,
I talked to my dad before coming up here about asking her. I didn't tell him when. I didn't tell him I already had a ring. My sister actually messaged me the moment I posted the video. It's like, something you want to tell me? No one really knew except for my roommate and like 2 other people. Oh, and a couple of regulars at my job that I became friends with. I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna do this.
well, this is great. So So every time you see the TigerCon advertisements, you'll think, I remember that's when I got engaged there.
I'm definitely gonna try and come back to every TigerCon you guys are gonna have so far. So.
Great. And you look super happy. You feel loved. You feel that warm feeling. I saw you looking at him. Look at that. Look at that. Well, congratulations. Congratulations.